So substituting b square equal to a square minus a square e square. So the equation will reduce in the form 2ab sec theta by b square plus a square tan square theta, the root of, so here a square minus a square e square will become b square, appo b square plus b square tan square theta varum. So b will come out, and 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, so root of that will be sec theta. So that will reduce to the form 2a b square sec square theta by b square plus a square tan square theta. Now divide by sec square theta on numerator and denominator. So the equation will reduce to 2a b square cos square theta varum plus a square tan square theta by sec square theta. So tan square theta by sec square theta will be sin square theta. So the equation will be 2ab square by a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta. So that is the required equation for the length of the focal chord.